Support tickets are the heartbeat of IT service. When they're mismanaged, everything suffers. That quote comes from Dwayne Moss, director at MC Services, and he's right. Slow responses and unclear processes frustrate users and weaken trust. According to Help Scout, 80% of customers say their experience with a company matters just as much as the product or service. So if your support tickets aren't handled well, your team's performance takes a hit, and your users notice. Here's what works. Start with faster first replies. Even if you don't have the fix yet, a quick response shows users you're on it. Then make sure your team tracks tickets closely. Use a ticketing system to monitor status, priority, and SLA deadlines. That keeps things moving and ensures no ticket slips through the cracks. Categorization helps too. When tickets are grouped by type, like password resets or network issues, they can be routed faster and resolved more efficiently. Clear communication is key. Templates save time, but every message still needs a human touch. And always explain what's next so users know what to expect. Prioritize based on urgency and impact. If the whole company's offline, that beats a one-off printer problem. Follow SLA rules and escalate complex issues fast. To cut ticket volume, build a simple knowledge base and help users describe their issues clearly. The more users can solve on their own, the more time your team has for high-impact work. Want to see how it all connects? Read the full article at our website. You'll find specific steps to clean up your support process and boost user satisfaction. And if this episode helped, add it to your playlist so you don't miss the next one.